In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product ads video animation in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank Canva dashboard to a polished animated ad that's ready to share on your favorite platform. First, open Canva and make sure you're logged in. On the home page, look for the button that says Create or Create a Design. This is usually at the top right of your screen. Go ahead and click that. This is where Canva lets you pick the size and format of your project. A search bar will appear asking what you want to design. In that search bar, type the word ad. Canva will now show you different ad formats and sizes. This step is important because each platform uses different dimensions, and starting with the right size helps your video look professional and avoids awkward cropping. Next, choose which platform you're creating the animated product ad for. You might see options like a square ad for feeds, a vertical ad for stories or reels, or a horizontal ad for certain placements. Pick the one that matches where you plan to publish your ad. Once you select it, Canva will open a new design with the correct canvas size. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a panel with different options. Click on Templates. This is where Canva gives you ready-made designs you can customize, which saves a lot of time, especially if you're not a designer. In the Templates search bar, type Product Animation or Product Ad Animation. Even if the spelling isn't perfect, Canva usually understands what you mean and will show you animated ad templates geared toward showcasing products. Take a moment to scroll through and find a layout that fits your brand's style and the type of product you're promoting. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to apply it to your canvas. You'll see the design appear in the main area. From here, you can customize the text, colors, and images to match your product and branding, but the animation structure will already be built in for you. Now, to fine-tune the movement, look for the Animate option in the top toolbar. Click on Animate, and Canva will show you different animation styles for the entire page or for individual elements. Hover over them to see how they change the motion of your ad, then click to apply the one that best fits the feel you're going for. Finally, before you download or publish, click on Preview. This lets you watch your full product ad video animation from start to finish, just like your audience will see it. If everything looks smooth, your text is readable, and your product stands out,